Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. All right, so I don't even have my tablet plugged in. We're doing customary conversions today. You still need your star chart, which is the second to last page of your workbook. And you need to set up a ratio table for each problem. Brian ran half a mile. How many yards? Braylon ran half a mile. How many yards did she run? So we have miles, which is abbreviated MI, and we have yards, which is abbreviated YD. If you look at your reference sheet, then you will see that 1 mile is 1,760 yards. If you run half of a mile, half of 1,760, half of 1,760 is the same as 1,760 divided into two parts. So tell me what that number is, and I want a complete sentence saying Braylon ran your number of yards. Brandon drinks 2 cups of lemonade. 1 serving of lemonade is 4 fluid ounces. So we need to go from cups to fluid ounces. If you look at your star reference sheet, you'll see that 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. So that means 2 cups is 16 fluid ounces, but 16 is not our answer. We have 16 fluid ounces. We're splitting that into 4 fluid ounce chunks, not chunks, we're not cutting it, 4 fluid ounce cups. How many 4s are in 16? 4 and 4 makes 8, and 4 more makes 12, and 4 more makes 16. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 servings. Notice that I'm not writing 4 fluid ounces because the question is how many servings? 4 servings of lemonade. Ta-da! Next one. Madison did some research and learned that the average redwood tree weighs, 50,000 pounds. How many tons is this? We're going pounds to tons. 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. 50,000 pounds is more than 1 ton. It can be a little intimidating to look at this relationship between 2,000 and 50,000. If I take off 3 zeros here and I take off 3 zeros here, what's the relationship between 2 and 50? 2 25s make 50. So 25 is not your answer, it's your skill factor, but also it's your answer. Write me a sentence, including the units. Kathy drank 32 fluid ounces of water today. Her doctor wants her to drink 8 cups. Did she drink enough? Cups to fluid ounces. 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. She drank 32. What's the relationship between 8 and 32? 8 times 4. She drank 4 cups today. Write me a sentence saying yes or no, she did or did not drink enough water today. Sebastian has to run 2 miles in 20 minutes to make the track team. Go, Sebastian, go. He ran 3,700 yards in 20 minutes. Did he make the team? So did he make the team means your answer is either going to be yes or no. But you got to have math to back it up. Yards to miles. 1,760 yards is 1 mile. So 2 miles would be how many yards? You figure out how many yards 2 miles is, and if he ran that number or more, he made the team. If he didn't make the team. Viana owns her own restaurant and is making creamy mushroom soup for an appetizer. She purchased 3 gallons of heavy cream for her soup. How many cups is this? Gallons. If we look at our star chart, gallons does not go straight to cups. Gallons goes to quarts, and then you can go quarts to pints, and then you can go pints to cups. So if you're going to do ratio tables, this is 3 ratio tables to find this answer. Or you can think But my very handsome boyfriend, Gallon Guy, oh my gosh, he's so wonderful. He has 1 gallon, 4 quarts, 2 pints in each quart. I did not do a good job here. And the beauty of the computer that you don't have on your page. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. 2 oops, what's that? 2 cups in each pint. Oh my gosh, what a wonderful guy this Gallon Guy is. Cups, cups. Cups, cups. Cups, cups. 2 cups makes a pint. Cups, 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 cups. Now zoom back out. You could, if you remembered to draw this, set up your own proportion that says gallons straight to cups. I see 1 G here in my handsome Gallon Guy. And I see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 cups. You could use that information to get your answer in 1 ratio table, or you can use the star chart information to get your answer in 3 ratio tables. Either way, same answer. Jocelyn went to Viana's restaurant and ordered 24 fluid ounces of soup to go. I dare you to go to a restaurant and try and order fluid ounces worth of anything. They will just roll their eyes at you and be like, do you want a cup? Yes or no? Do you want a bowl? Yes or no? Most restaurants do not sell by the fluid ounce, but apparently this one's special. 24 fluid ounces. How many pints is this? Fluid ounces, again on our star chart, only converts to cups. 8 fluid ounces converts to 1 cup. So 24 fluid ounces, 8 times 3 is 24. That's 3 cups. But that's not the answer. Cups to pints on our star chart says 2 cups makes 1 pint. So 3 cups, 4 cups would make 2 pints. Since 3 is in the middle, it's going to make 1.5 pints. Write me a sentence that includes your units. I will not take this scratch work alone as an answer. Jada measured herself and found out that she is 4 feet and 9 inches tall. How many inches tall is she? This part is already in inches. I don't need to change anything. This part is not. I do need to change that. Most of you came into class today already knowing this conversion, that 1 foot is 12 inches. That means 4 feet is 4 twelves, which is 48 inches. But Jada is not 48 inches tall. She is 48 inches and 9 inches. Combine them to tell me how tall she is in inches. Last one. Joel ran 5,280 yards without stopping. How many miles did he run? Yards, miles. 1 mile is 1,760 yards. We need to figure out how many 1,760s are in the number 5,280. So maybe you want to repeatedly add, because that does not seem like a division problem I want to do. Like a guess and check kind of. Okay, 2 1,760s, does that make 5,280? If yes, great, your answer is 2. If no, keep adding. Add another 1,760 until you can figure out how many miles that is. It should be a whole number. And we're done with our homework. Yay!